pupunta tayo ngayon sa Tim Sawyer Island. So, from here, sasakay po tayo ng boat. Transfer po nila tayo from here to Tim Sawyer Island. So, yan. Mag-adventure tayo doon sa island na yan. Kung makikita yung island na yan, yan. Malaking island po yan siya. Bali dito umiikot yung rides natin nung last time, yung canoe. And then yung boat na yan. Iniikot nila itong island ito, palibot. Yeah. Alright, okay, let's go. Nandiyan na yung boat na sasakyan po natin na ililipat tayo from here papunta doon sa kabilang island. Ang island po yan, na yan siya, ang tawag nila is Tom Sawyer Island. So ayan na. Sasakay na tayo. Guys, ayan, nandito na tayo. Ayan guys, pupunta din sa kabilang island. So let's see kung ano yung mga magagandang mga tanawin, views, and na pwede nating makita. Ayan po yung last time na renides po natin, yung canoe na yan. Bali inikot din nila yung itong island na to, Tom Sawyer Island. So ayan, larga na tayo. We're going now. Papunta tayo ng Malaysia. Philippines and Malaysia is very close country. Oh, and Indonesia, I think Indonesia. No, closer is Indonesia. Philippines and Indonesia. Ayan, papunta na tayo sa kabilang land. So sa kabila, may naghihintay din ng mga pasahero. Galing na sila doon, pabalik na dito. Tapos na sila nag-adventure. Come on, let's go here. So ayan guys, kung makikita yun, may cave po yan siya. So, let's see what's in here. In the cave.
Guys, Gabby, you don't know what to wait
No, I have lights. Oh, it's not turning. Yan, dito sa kuiba. Bali, nasa cave po tayo ngayon. Kung makikita po ninyo. Wow. Ayan, kung makikita, may mga stalactite, stalactite o stalagmite dito. Ayan. Oh, this is it. By here.
Daddy, you're doing life for us. Thanks.
What's in here? We're stuck now.
I see almost everything.
What's in there? Oh. Wala.
I've never been in a jacket. Never.
Go now. Baby.
I'm not scared, big boy.
Look what's gonna happen. Look what's gonna happen. Somebody's gonna come out.
Dito tayo sa loob ng kuweba ngayon. Kung makikita po ninyo. What's in there? Ha?
Oh, I see a school right there.
Ay, nakakatakot dito. May mga sila. Bigla lang lilitaw dito sa... Ala, ito. Saan tayo? Dito? Is here? Here? This way? Oh, that way. Oh, the same way. Oh, come on. Ayan. Ito yung magandang adventure dito. May cave sila dito. May cave. So,
Okay, we're out of here.
ayan.
We're out of here.
Oh, that's cool. What else?
Well, we fine.
Okay, let's go straight.
In the Philippines, guys. World War II. Oh no, this is going back to the raft.
Huh?
No? This is where you're going back to the raft. It says
No.
right there. What's that?
Ito, may ano sila, blacksmith. May ano sila dito. Oh, what is in here? Oh. Ayan, may ano sila. Paggawaan ng mga kutsilyo, mga sword. This is a blacksmith shop.
See, there's no ghosts. That is not talking out.
Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong mayroon dito. Tree house. Back to rock duck. Oh. May tree, they have tree house there.
Wanna go?
Let's go, let's go. Guys, ito yung mga makikita dito sa ano. Oh. Mayroon silang tree house, ayan. Tree house. Kitang tree house. So, ayan, nandito po tayo sa gitna na ngayon, gitna ng island. So, may tree house sila dyan. Ano pang mayroon dito? Let's see what's in here. Oh, what's that? Huh? Ayan na, yung makikita po nyo, yung Pirates of the Caribbean na boat. So mamaya, pupunta natin yan, magsasakay tayo, iikot din tayo dito sa island. So, ayan, dito muna tayo sa Tim Sawyer Island muna. Okay.